Hey, Miss Nosebleed here, your English teacher. What can we learn today? Hello! Do you know the difference between a lot and a lot? Let's explore that today. Let's go! Okay, so let's talk about the first one, which is two words, a lot. It means a great deal. For example, my mom has a lot of indoor plants. That means my mom has many indoor plants. Okay, very easy. Now let's look at the other one. This is a lot, which is one word with two L's. Okay, it is a verb and it means to assign, to divide, or to distribute. Okay, so let's look at the example. You need to allot 5,000 pesos for charity. So that means you have to set aside or to assign 5,000 pesos for something. Okay? All right, cool. Now you know. To practice, use both words in your own sentences. Type your sentences in the comment section. I will check and give you feedback. This is an excellent way to practice using the two words we learned today. I look forward to your comments. I'm here to help you. Thanks, guys. That's it. Short and sweet. You know what to do. Got any questions? I'll see what I can do. See you next time.